What's going on, guys? It is Jpace here. We are back with another unboxing. Today we have the AverMedia live streaming system here. It's like a Stream Deck and an audio mixer combined. Has a bunch of knobs on the front for mic and console, and some push buttons here that you can program to certain things. This is a complete touch screen here, and it seems like it's interesting. It might replace my my Stream Deck and my audio mixer that I have here. So let's open it up and see how it goes. It was on sale on Amazon. That's the reason I picked it up. It's been in my wanted list for a little bit, and I saw that the price dropped, and I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Let's see. So digital volume knobs, interactive RGB lights, 5-inch touch panel for interactive widgets, programmable function buttons, detachable kickstand. What else we got here? Dual independent audio mixes, physical and virtual audio track mixing, Nexus widgets and hotkeys at your fingertips, programmable function buttons, and interactive and custom RGB lighting. Okay. Let's just cut open this other side here so I can give that side a little push. Alright. Get this out of the way. There it is, AverMedia. It's like I feel like it's like a Go XLR Stream Deck combination. That's what I feel. Ooh, this thing is a lot bigger than I thought. So let's pop open a little accessory box first, see what we have in here. Looks like we have just a standard USB cable that's going to run to the computer to power the device. Or hook it up to your computer, not power it. A little headphone cable. It's a 2-band, so it's definitely headphones. Doesn't have microphone capabilities. And if you don't know that, now you do. If you ever look at a headphone jack and it has two black lines, it's just headphones. If it has 3 black lines, it has the capability of doing, come on, focus. It has the capability of doing microphone. 3rd channel. Put this little package here. What's in this? Looks like the actual wall plug. And microphone. It looks like an adapter for different countries, and same thing with that one. I apologize for the focusing here. I thought this lens would be okay for this. Set those aside. And we have one more box in here, which I'm going to assume is the actual that's the actual power. Alright. Set that aside. Now we unleash the bad boy. Put that there. Get the box out of the way. And there it is. So it's actually, I mean, you could see it compared to the Stream Deck. That's the 15-button Stream Deck, and obviously this is the AverMedia. It's significantly, well, the Stream Deck's probably the screen size of this, but, so there's a removable kickstand, just kind of sits in there. Kind of just sits like this, right there, nice, sturdy. Again, we have these here. Oh, they click in too, which is nice. Then we have these buttons, which are all programmable things. 5-inch touchscreen. Nice mat on the bottom. If you don't want to use the kickstand, you could just place it flat on your desk and it won't slide. As for the back here, we have a microphone input. We have the USB that's going to go to the computer. We have power. We have headphones in. I don't know if you could see that. Headphones in. Line out, microphone as I said, line in, console, which is an optical plug, and then USB and the DC, and a little on-off switch here. Pretty nice. So let me see if I can just get the power wire just hooked up real quick, just so we can get an idea of what it looks like when it's on. Let's see. Okay, let me get that other little piece. I think the real challenge is going to be trying to find a outlet available that's close enough for me to plug this thing in. I don't really know. I didn't see how long the cord's kind of long, but I apologize for my sound because my allergies are just killing me. All right, so okay, the cord's pretty long, probably a 6-foot cord. So we're gonna go ahead and looks like just slide, snap into place like that. We have our cord. Let me just plug it in real quick. This monitor for a second. Again, I'm just wiring up so we can see it. I have to do some rewiring on my end, but alright, so that's that. And boom. Lift it up here so you can see. Now it has software that obviously I can install on the computer to customize these buttons. I'll have to look into that to see what capabilities it actually has. From what I've heard, it can replace the Stream Deck, so we're gonna see. I like the mixing capabilities and the ability to really separate your sounds and your microphone and all your inputs. I guess it's just going through its boot up sequence, unless it's waiting for me to hook it up to USB for do anything. We'll give it another second here. If not, I'll be posting more images and videos on my TikTok and my Instagram. And definitely check out this YouTube page. Subscribe if you like the content. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna wait for me to hook it up USB. So once I get more stuff going on with it, I will definitely share more information. But that is it. That's the AverMedia live streaming Nexus AX310 unit. So we'll see how it goes. If I don't like it, I guess I could return it, but I think it's gonna do what I want. I got a new cable for my microphone. I have the Elgato Low Pro boom mic, which I love, but I got a new cable for my mic that goes XLR to XLR. So we'll hook it all up and talk to you guys soon.